Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell Bitcoin on eToro. So if you bought Bitcoin on the main eToro trading platform, uh, what you need to do next, you will go to your portfolio, which is here on the left-hand menu. If you are on the web browser, if you are on mobile app, it's down. It's in the bottom of the app. And yeah, its icon is like magnifying glass. Okay, so now as you can see, I have here my Bitcoin position, which I bought. uh, Now if you click on it, you will see here if you did put some stop loss price, if you set a take profit price, then you will see how much units do you have when you when you open the price, how much it was, current price, and how much profit do you have or how much loss do you have, and the value. Okay, so now we want to sell it. So right here on the right side, you will see close button, or as you can saw, if I clicked on Bitcoin, I also have here at the bottom close trade. If I click on that, here I will see current value, units, when it was opened, and total returns. Now, if I don't want to sell the whole Bitcoin, I can check those close only part of the trade, and I can adjust here, let's say 3000, just like that, and I can close an amount of 3000. And if I press that, I will still have here my Bitcoin, but I just sell part of it. Just like that. This is really great when you are in a profit. Right now it's not that great, so if I want to close the whole of it, I just uncheck this and just simply close the trade, and that's it. And yeah, this is how you can sell Bitcoin. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.